We're going to work on complementary and supplementary angles within radian measure. So the definition for our complementary angles in radian measure is two angles that add up to pi over 2. Remember, pi over 2 is 90 degrees. If you want supplementary angles, that's two angles that add up to pi. In degree measure, that's 180 degrees. So here's an example. Find the complement and supplement of this angle. So if here is 0 radians or 0 degrees, and this is pi over 2 up here, halfway would be pi over 4. So here's pi over 4, 0, there's your angle theta. If we want to find the complement, we want to find out what two angles add up to pi over 2 or 90 degrees. So I want to find the distance from here over to there. So just take pi over 2 minus pi over 4. So I'm going to convert this to 2 pi over 4 minus pi over 4, which is pi over 4. So the complement is pi over 4. For the supplement, we want to find out what two angles add to pi. So we're going from here all the way over to there. So what is that distance? So we're going to take pi minus pi over 4. So I'm going to take 4 pi over 4 minus pi over 4, and that's 3 pi over 4. So the supplement is 3 pi over 4. Next example, 2 pi over 3. So here is 0 degrees. I want to split this up into 3 parts. So 1, 2, and 3. 2 pi over 3. Here's pi over 3. 2 pi over 3. So this angle is from here over to there. There is your theta of 2 pi over 3. To find the complement, we want to find two angles that add to pi over 2. Well, that does not exist. It's too big already. It's past that pi over 2 angle. So it'll only, in this case, have a supplement. So to find the supplement, I want to find out what is the distance from this terminal side over to pi. So I take pi and subtract 2 pi over 3. What is that distance? So I'm going to convert this to like denominator. So 3 pi over 3 minus 2 pi over 3 is pi over 3. So the distance from here to there is pi over 3. So the supplement is pi over 3. Last example, given the angle of 1.6 radians, find the complement and the supplement. So we don't have an angle that it has that pi in it. So let's think about, what does pi represent? Pi represents 1 radian, excuse me. So we have, here is our pi, here is our pi over 2, and here is our 0. If you remember, pi represents approximately 3.14 radians. If you wanted pi over 2, that is half of 3.14 divided by 2. So 3.14 divided by 2 is approximately 1.57 radians. So our angle of 1.6 is just a little bit more than pi over 2. So if we create that angle measure, that's what our angle would look like in our theta of 1.6 radians. So now it is bigger than pi over 2, so we will not have a complement. It does not exist, but we do have a supplement. We want to find out what is the distance from that terminal side to pi. Remember, pi represents 3.14. So we're going to find out what that distance is. So we're going to take pi minus 1.6 radians. So 3.14 minus 1.6 is 1.54 radians. So that's this distance here. From here to here is 1.54 radians. So that's its supplement.